In this quick video, I'll show you how to replace the internal battery in your Chevy Astro key fob. Replacing your battery at home is very easy to do and it takes under 5 minutes. The only things you will need are a regular coin and one of these CR2032 batteries. If you'd like to get one of these batteries online, go ahead and check out the link in the description. That link will take you over to Amazon where you can find this particular battery for just a few dollars. Some of you out there might have a version that has 4 buttons instead of 3. It will have a red 4th button right there. It doesn't matter, they're just a couple layouts of this particular device, but you can follow along with this video and the process to open it will be the same and the battery will also be the same. So let's just get right into it. The first step is to look on the bottom right of the device, right next to where the key ring attaches, and you can see there is a little groove along this seam in the plastic. Take any coin, it could be a penny, quarter, whatever you have laying around, and you can even use a flathead screwdriver here, but just go ahead and insert that in, hold the device loosely, and twist the coin. You'll hear the device crack open and you'll feel it come apart in your fingers, and now we have access to the battery. You might be able to just pull this battery out with your fingernails. If not, go ahead and grab something like a flathead screwdriver, pen or pencil, or even another key, because what we want to do is come over to this little indentation there, kind of a dark area that you can see on the camera there. We just want to take the tool and stick it in there to get under the battery so we can lift it out. Once more, let me show you that very quickly. You can see this indentation right there. Take a pen or pencil or a screwdriver and just get under the battery and lift it out. Now you can dispose of your old battery. Make sure you are getting a 2032 battery, and when you put it in, make sure this positive side that has the plus sign is going face down. So you will just click that back into place, face down, and all that's left to do now is just snap the 2 halves of the device back together. So just give it a squeeze and you are all set. I hope that helped you out, and if it did, feel free to let me know down in the comment section or by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your keys, you can come back to this channel. We have tutorials for pretty much every device from every make or model out there. And you can also get that information over at our website, fobbattery.com.